What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I am finally fixing an issue that I've been avoiding for so long. Today I'm going to show you guys how to place your positive battery terminal on your Honda Civic Si. So recently, in the past couple months, I've been having car issues. This car would not start on some days, and my dash would just flash with all the codes popping up. So I realized that my positive terminal wasn't getting the right connection, and that's the reason why my car wouldn't start. So I've been avoiding this issue for a very long time, and today I'm just very sick of it because I have to get this car back on the road. So this morning I was going to go get some gas, but I couldn't start the car because the car was just flickering, and it wasn't getting any power. Hopefully it turns out great. It should be a very easy process to do, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it step by step. So before we jump into this video, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button below. Also the notification bell so you won't miss out on any other DIY videos like this. So let's get started and let's go. All right, so before I get started, I want to show you guys what it looks like right now. So yesterday, my dad, he helped me out trying to do some temporary packaging, just make sure it was okay. I get my car back on the road because yesterday my car was like super dead. The battery was completely gone. So today I am fixing this issue right here. So the biggest issue that I was really concerned about is making sure I have enough wire. So when I cut right here in these two spots, I have enough wire, I can still get enough over the, I can still reach the positive terminal, but I can't. So before I start doing any cutting, I'm gonna show you guys the tools I'll be using today in this video. Some universal battery terminals from AutoZone. It was like $4. So it's a positive and a negative. And also, if you don't have one of these, please get one of these guys. This is a stripper, a wire stripper. It's going to help you out in the long run. Very easy to use. Ever since I got this, it's been a very great help. So before I jump into my cutting, I need to figure out how much I need to cut. So I'm thinking about cutting right here and right there. Then I still have enough wire back here for a great connection. So yes, that's the first thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get some cutters right quick, and we're gonna get to it. Alright, so I had to do a quick stop at AutoZone once again because what I had bought previous, it did not work because it was too thick. And I'm going to show you guys what I had at first. So this is my original, and as you can see, there's two ways. There's two different places. So this is like a thick side and this is like a thin side. So I had to go back to AutoZone and take the one back, and I got the Duralast Gold battery terminals to positive. So 2 and 8 and 2 and 4. So what we're gonna do is put one there and one there. So I'm gonna get out of here for the day. I am finished doing this project. Now I'm gonna show you guys how simple and easy this was. Like, very simple. I was like nervous and stuff, but you know, when you first time doing something, come with nervousness. But I'm gonna show you how the new setup is. So right here, this is the new setup. It was very easy, and just put one here, one there, tie this down, make sure this ain't going nowhere, it's tugged, so we're good. I don't know why it comes in gold plated, don't know why. It cost me $15. No, actually $15, but $17 with tax. Ridiculous. But yes, this is my new style. A bad terminal on the Honda Civic Si, very easy to fix. Make sure you get this one. I recommend get the gold plated or something that looks very similar to this. But yes, I'm out here for the day, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Drive with passion, keep going, and stay active.